Rachel dwi. Dwi'n gweithio mewn ysgol yng Nghaerdydd. Dwi'n dysgu blwyddyn 5. Dwi'n teimlo yn fwy hyderus nawr. Dwi'n dwlu ar y cwrs Cymraeg. Dwi'n dod yr Alban oreiddiol. I moved to Cardiff 4 years ago from Glasgow, and ever since I moved to Wales I've wanted to improve my Welsh skills and language knowledge, and I ended up writing to the Education Minister to find out where I could find a course to learn more about Welsh and the Welsh language. I have thoroughly enjoyed every minute of the Welsh language course, and I definitely feel like I'm more prepared and more confident to go back into the classroom and teach the children Welsh, even incidental Welsh that I feel as if I'll be using all the time now throughout my day. And I can strongly recommend the course to anyone who's thinking about it.